It's a cast iron bread oven. This is new. I've never seen this here at Aldi. It is $24.99. Isn't this nice, guys? Ah, okay. This 6-quart size cast iron Dutch oven is $27. It comes in this green and cream, and I'm sure the cast iron bread oven is going to come in those two colors as well. All right, here's a 2-quart cast iron mini Dutch oven for $17. Oh, yes. A quart porcelain enamel stock pot for $20. Also in those beautiful colors. Moving on to the wine racks for $14.99. So we have options. We have this one, which is beautiful. You know, that would be my favorite. And then they have this one, all wood. And it is heavy. Woo. The Mama Cozy wood fire barbecue chicken pizza for $4.69. They have the deluxe beef patties. They have the deep dish pizza for $7.98. The mini pepperoni pizza cones, you get 8 for $5.49. And then the shrimp trio is $4.99. They also have the shrimp and lobster bake. I don't see a price on this. The barbecue meatloaf is $8.99. The buffalo chicken or bacon mac and cheese bites for $4.49. Fully baked pot pie, chicken pot pie with white meat, chicken, peas, and carrots for $10. Yellow curry with brown rice, Thai style meal. It is $4.49. The mozzarella breadsticks, $4.19. The soft pretzel sticks are $4.79. Cabbage blend or warm potato salad is $3.29. The apple walnut cake is $8.49. They also have the German cream cakes assorted varieties, which is going to be the chocolate cream cake for $7.99. They also have the strawberry cream cake. Filled pretzel bites, pepper jack or cheddar is $3. Turkey sausage or Southwest breakfast skillet is $4.99. The animal baskets, they are $20. They have the elephant. Oh my goodness. What is this? I'm not going to even try to name it. These animal baskets, they are $19.99. Oh, so cute. Look at that. Oh, love these. Okay, literacy program. These books are only $2.99, guys. You know I can't pass this up. So they have this one. It says, Like You, Like Me. Freedom Fighters, What We Need in Action. The Lion's King. They have this one in Spanish. It says Factors and Multiples. Yes, and then they also have these smaller ones. This one says The Little Piggy, Jackie Robinson, Rosa Parks. This one, another one in Spanish right here. So nice. Now this is the Harvest chopping block for $10. Oh my goodness, love these. So nice. That one. And then have this one. Well, alrighty. I like what I see. Now down here is the kids' bedroom lamps for $30. How cute are these? This spinach dip, and they have dill dip for $3.75. You get 14 ounces on these. They also have the buffalo or chili pepper jack cauliflower dip for $3.99. 60 calories on these. The spicy guacamole is $4.49. They also have the classic right next to it. They also have the singles. You get 6 of the guacamole singles in classic or spicy for $3.89. The jalapeno artichokes is $3.39. Crumble goat cheese is $2.39. Spreadable cheese, gourmet spreadable cheese in the sharp cheddar is $3.49. Smoked Gouda, $3.39. Alrighty, Harvest serving platters, they're $10. So they have this one, then they have the ones in the leaf shape. Oh, and a pumpkin. Nice. $10. Not bad. Okay, oven liners or 2-piece oven rack guards for $5. So this is the guard right here, which would be on the oven, and the oven liner, which is the black. Premium mustard assorted varieties, $2.99. So they have this one with the horseradish, whole grain mustard, and sweet mustard, $2.99. Dark chocolate espresso beans, $3.49. Specially select infused extra virgin olive oil assorted varieties, $4.99. So they have the rosemary infused, the garlic infused, and the chili infused. Cheese pairing spreads, $6.99. So it's a 4-pack. Yes, it is a 4-pack. Alrighty, the gallon milk is remaining the same at $1.76, and the eggs are remaining the same, 1 dozen for $1.22. 100 calorie snack packs, you get a 6-pack for $3. Baked chocolate wafer snacks, and they have baked chocolate chip wafer snacks. The 6-count of brioche buns, $3.99. So you get those. And then they have these with the sesame seed. And they have the hot dog buns for $3.19 for a set of 6. Simply Nature organic yellow corn tortilla chips, $2.99. The blue corn tortilla chips, they are $2.29. And the multi-grain tortilla chips, roasted garlic and herb pretzels, $2.99. The black bean chips, $2.29. Apple crisp, $1.89. Sweet potato chips, $3.39. Okay, by Fit and Active, caramel rice cakes. They also have the cheesecakes for $3.29. Simple Nature have cauliflower tortilla chips in the sea salt and the nacho flavor for $2.99. Hey guys, starting with Aldi's gear. They have the beanies for $3.99. Oh my goodness. They are already here. They have the stainless steel mug, traveling mug for $7. I like this one with Aldi name all around it. Yes. And the ladies Aldi gear pajamas, only $9.99 guys for a 2-piece. $9.99. Beautiful patterns. They only go up to a large, guys, size small through extra large. But yes, they have them here, so beautiful. This recipe stand is $20. And I love it. Yes, $20 on that. The acorn candle is $5. The 20-ounce soup mug is $3.99. It comes in white, brown, blue, and green. I love the pattern. It has like a a texture, rise texture on here. The kids table and stool for $39.99. You get a 5-piece set in this one. And then they have this beautiful side table that is $39.99 as well. I have more videos that I'm sure you guys will enjoy. I will leave the link down below, guys, and I hope you all enjoy them. Thank you all so much, and I'll see you in the next one.